Is bonus footage from Foxtoberfest. Good friend Brent, Hicks House Videos. What's up, man?
Cool. We did a 3D scan of a new old stock glass.
I broke my GoPro mount. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and in case you are new to the channel, I am really into fox bodies. I've got a fox body right here behind me. I've got another fox body outside, and yeah, that's just kind of my thing. Fox bodies is kind of my thing. But what we are talking about today is bonus footage from Foxtoberfest. Now, in case you don't know what Foxtoberfest is, it's the biggest show for fox bodies in the US, as far as I know. And it's put on by Fox Mustang Restoration every year. They're trying to get more and more foxes out every year. And it's just an awesome time. You see fox bodies everywhere, all kinds of different fox bodies. Whatever you can imagine, you probably see it there for the most part. But I have, like I said, some bonus footage today. This footage actually came to me from someone I met during Stampede after the storm. The guy's a videographer, a filmmaker. His name's Sammy, and he came up to me at Stampede after the storm, and he was like, hey, is it okay if I film some footage for Foxtoberfest and give it to you? And I'm like, sure, absolutely. I took a look at it. It's awesome. I'm really excited about it, and I just want to share it with you guys today. But before we get into that, there are two things I want to cover. One is, we hit 2,000 subscribers, guys. I cannot believe it. I never imagined when I'd start this channel, I would actually have 2,000 people subscribed to me. All of you that are watching right now that have subscribed to me, I just want to thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. And the other thing is I actually am going to be doing a Q&A very soon. I'm going to release a Q&A video. So the way I'm going to do that is actually I'm going to put a picture up on Instagram, tell you it's for the Q&A, have you leave your comments down below. So if you're not following me on Instagram already, I'm there at Gearhead704. So definitely please follow me if you're on Instagram. If you're not on Instagram, you should be, because it's a great community. There are tons of people on there who are into cars. It's I'd say it's a lot, as far as the social media platforms go, it's very relaxed. There's not a lot of hate on there. It's just car people sticking together. So get on Instagram if you're not. But anyway, enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and get into the Foxtoberfest footage.
Brand new rubber.
Wow.
I have a video online that explains like a lot of the different. You seen it?
No, I've seen it.
Yeah. Yeah, down at the bottom of that page with my quarter windows, there's a video there that explains what all we do.
Okay.
It's got, I'm doing the video and I got a piece of glass with the piece of glass that I show as a demo has no rubber, no studs, and even the white's gone, so you can see through the Mustang letters to show like how much we bring it down to, and then we build that back up using that bare glass as a core. We build everything else back up to newer, up-to-date standards. And the lines are identical. We did a 3D scan of a new old stock glass, and with that 3D scan, we were able to make the molds, so they are identical to a new old stock set. It's a remanufacturer. It's not a refurbish, it's a remanufacturer.
All right, so that was pretty awesome. I hope you enjoyed that bonus footage as much as I did. I think Sammy did a great job with it, and it was a lot of fun putting that together. But anyway, if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704. All right, what's up guys? I know that the video kind of ended, but I just want to throw this at the end because I'm out here with my good friend Brent, Hicks House Videos. What's up man? And check out, I haven't seen the wagon before, but he's got it badged up. This is awesome. I love it, man. It's so cool. So anyway, the reason why I'm out here with you is Foxtoberfest. I broke my GoPro mount camera, whatever you would call it. So yeah, it's kind of loud over there, sorry guys. But so Brent came through, he saw me like walking around holding my GoPro like this and stuff. He's like, I got an extra one, man. So finally getting it back to you.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it, brother. It was very helpful, and we'll see how the 8 does, but definitely that came through and like a champ. And I did order me another one of those too, so I'm still keep my 6 around.
Oh,
but,
you got to.
Yeah. But if you're not checking Brent out already, give his channel a look up. He's actually local, and I think at some point we need to do like a cross review. Like I took a look at Mad Maxine and Cool Pre. He can look at Tar Heel Fox. Hey, did we get shot? No. He can look at Tar Heel Fox.
Oh,
and
yeah.
I just got to get like, if you look at it now, you can't go full acceleration because the motor's just gonna.
Oh yeah.
So let me get that straightened out. We'll figure that out. Definitely get back together
again.
again.
I can even reach the pedals.
Yeah. Well, Ken drove it for Speed Addict, so yeah, you have to move the seat all the way up. But you might, you're taller than Ken. So.
I am. Yeah.
Well, cool, man. Well, I appreciate the support, brother.
Yes, sir.